Welcome to Rinkatink Inc., episode 4. The moment I know you've all been waiting for. Hurry up and get to the point, Nate, right? What's your first product gonna be?
Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Well, the next step in the process is coming up with your MVP,
You the real MVP.
or your minimally viable product, which we've done because we decided what's our niche gonna be, what's our business model gonna be, print on demand, and what's our unique value proposition. It's gotta be kind of funny, right? So without any further ado, I decided to go with something what you might call semi-inspirational.
It's inspirational, thank you.
So, here it is. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it funny?
Really, that's funny, yeah.
Not funny? Don't give up your day job? Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think.
Can I interest you in a sarcastic comment?
Next up, gotta figure out how to get this thing out in the market, right?
Fucking loser. He couldn't sell it.
Stay tuned. Until then, be well.